Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. My dear students, let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. Yes, my dear students, if you want to achieve the real power, the real wealth in your life, the most important thing that you have to educate yourself. I hope you all are fine, happy, as well as you all are learning well at your home. Since some previous lectures, we are doing a revision. In this series, we already have completed revision of chapter number 7. In previous lecture, we have started revision of chapter number 8, measurement. In previous lecture, we have solved one part of worksheet regarding the length. Today we are going to solve more. Before that, we will take a very quick recap of previous lecture and then we move towards next. What is a measurement? Measurement means compare to a fixed standard value. To measure something is to give a number to some property of the thing. Measuring something puts the amount of the thing into numbers. Measurement can be written using many different units. What are the main units of measurement? MEASUREMENT, measurement. LENGTH, length. WEIGHT, weight. CAPACITY, capacity. Length, weight and capacity. In this chapter, we are going to learn about these three units. What is a length? Length is the term used for identifying the size of an object or distance from one point to length is a measure of how long an object is, or the distance between 2 points. The length of an object is its extended dimension. That is its longest side. How long? Now look at the worksheet. This part we have completed in previous lecture, though we are going to make revision for the same. Look at the pencil. For comparison, here we have some boxes. We have to find out how long is the pencil. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The pencil is about 6 boxes long. Observe the worksheet properly. Here we have an image of lollipop. Let us see how long it is. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 boxes long. The lollipop is about 10 boxes long. Then we have an image of screwdriver. Let us compare it with the given boxes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The screwdriver is about 11 boxes long. Now see, this is a painting brush. Tell me, Who likes to make painting? All of you, na? It is your favorite activity. So now, let's compare it with given boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This paintbrush is about 13 boxes long. Now tell me, which image is this? An earbud. Let's compare it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This earbud is about 5 boxes long. Now see, which image is next? The image of spoon. Let's compare it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The spoon is about 10 boxes long. I hope you all are understanding. Now see, here we have boxes for comparison. In this worksheet, we are having paper clips. Have you ever seen paper clips? Maybe you see it in school or your father's office. In this worksheet, we have to compare the things with paper clips. How long it is? First, we have an image of spoon. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The spoon is about 7 paper clips long. I am waiting so that if anyone can draw, they can complete their work. Draw the spoon like this, as well draw the paper clips like this. Now see, a pin, P-I-N, pin. Let's compare it, how long it is. One, 2, 3, 4. The pin is about 4 paper clips long. Draw the pin, draw the paper clips, compare the measurement. I'm waiting for some time. So that everyone can complete their work. You all have to complete this. I know you all can do it well, huh? Now see your favorite crayon. For comparison, we have some paper clips. First, draw the crayon, draw the paper clips. Let's compare it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is about 5 paper clips long. We have a paintbrush to compare with given paper clips. Let's compare it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The paintbrush is about 11 paper clips long. Pencil. Let's measure it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The pencil is about 9 paper clips long. Watch. Who likes to wear the watch? I likes to wear the watch very much. Huh? Let us see how long it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The watch is about 6 paper clips long. My dear students, here we have completed one more worksheet regarding the length. LENGTH length can be measure in centimeter. C dot M dot. cm, the full form is centimeter. Means we can measure the length in centimeter. Now we are going to solve one more worksheet. Now look, to compare, here we have scale which shows the measurements in centimeter or inches. 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch. Let's measure the length of this pencil. It is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inch long. This pencil is about 5 inch long. Let's measure this green color pencil. It is about 1, 2 and 3 inch long. Red pencil is about 5 inch long. Green pencil is about 3 inch long. Now let's see how long is this pencil. Look at this, compare it. It is about 1 inch long. This blue pencil is about 1 inch long. Let's compare this yellow color pencil. It is about 1, 2, 3 and 4 inch long. This blue color pencil is about 1 inch long. Yellow color pencil is about 4 inch long. Wow! Here we have your favorite images. Image of turtle, image of an ice cream. So, let's see how long it is. The turtle is about 3 inch long. The ice cream is about 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 inch long. Again, your favorite image, lollipop. Let's see how long it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is about 4 inch long. The pencil is about 10 inch long. So my dear students, today we almost completed 2 worksheets more about length. Now we are going to read and write table of 7. So get ready and write down. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. I repeat one more time. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. At your home, everyone. Stay safe. Stay happy. Take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.